Okay. So write down, give me another minute with other people saying.
Okay. So I'm just throw our backpacks over.
Yeah, that's right. Señoritas, everyone grab a paper, please.
When we were doing the apps for the worst place or whatever, I was like really hot and stuff. So I'm trying to leave the classroom.
Yep.
Okay.
And Notre Dame students, could you please come and introduce Señoritas? Señoritas, could you please go and introduce yourselves to our guests? I want to have a group of students per Japanese student, so it should be groups of like 4 to 5. And stand in a circle. Yep. Great. Yep. Yokoso Spango clase, eh? Boku wa Señor Nielsen. So, being okay with making mistakes and saying something that might make you look silly.
Good job. Good job.
Yukoso Spango clase. Boku wa Señor Nielsen desu. Oh, hi. So, can you say good morning to our guests? It is something that sounds like, oh, hi. And can we say that in English, please? And can we say that in Spanish? So, our first step is I want our groups to spread out. So can you please spread out? Would you like to join us? All right. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? Do we have 2 Japanese students in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are our 6 students.
I think they're smushed together.
1, 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, Amy, could you please read the instructions for number 1? And could you repeat those first 3 nice and slow?
Students get into groups, 1 group for each Japanese student. Groups stand in a circle. Students take turns saying zip, zap, zop while pointing to each other with hands together. If someone makes a mistake, students put their arms around each other, kick their left foot, and say, oh.
So, group in the center, please. Could you please stand up? You are demonstrating. You don't need to stand up. Okay.
Sorry.
So, can you please introduce yourselves to one another?
I'm Mackenzie.
I'm Chelsea.
I'm Caroline.
Okay. And we are in groups. We are standing in a circle. And can you show us, students take turns saying zip, zap, zop while pointing to each other with their hands together. What does that look like?
Zip,
Zap.
zop,
Zap.
zop,
Zip.
zop,
Zip. Zap.
zop,
Zap. Zop.
Okay.
Zap.
Perfecto. So, can you show us what that does not look like? So, give us a bad model of what to do.
Zip.
Keep going.
Zop.
what?
Great. So that is a perfect bad example. Un aplauso para a bad example. So can you show us again, nice and slow, what I want you to do?
Zip.
Stop. Zop,
Zip.
zop,
Zip.
zop,
Zop.
zop,
Zop.
Gracias.
Zip.
So Anupriya, what are you doing that looks correct to you?
They're pointing to another person in the circle and saying either zip, zap, or zop, depending on the order.
Okay. So perfect. Everyone put your hands together. And I want you to point to someone and practice saying zip. Zip.
Oh, zip.
Now practice saying zop.
Zop.
Zap. Oh, oh. So I already made a mistake. So let's try that one more time. Hands together, and we point to someone and we say zip.
Zip.
Now point to someone else and say zap.
Zap.
Point to someone else and say zop.
Zop.
Muy bien. So those are the rules of the game. Now, can you repeat? Who's reading?
Amy.
Amy. Can you repeat D, please?
If someone makes a mistake, students put their arms around each other, take their left foot, and say,
Okay. So, model group in the center. Can you please show us what that looks like?
oh,
Muy bien. So, can you show us making a mistake and then doing it?
Zip. Zap.
what?
Okay. Ishwari, what was the mistake that happened?
She said something wrong and we all got confused.
Okay. So, what do you do when you say something wrong?
You say,
You say auga.
well,
And then what?
Yeah. Put your arms around each other, kick your left foot, and then say.
So, can you show us each one of those steps? You put your arms around each other, you kick your left foot, and you say auga. Muy bien. And Amy, can you read why are we doing this?
Why are we doing this? To be comfortable making mistakes around each other and to realize that making mistakes are necessary to win.
Thank you. So, first step, Sitting down, I would like everyone to introduce themselves and to make sure that everyone can pronounce the Japanese student's name, and that you pronounce your name enough times so that the Japanese student can say your name. So take about 2 minutes to do that right now. Everybody is introducing themselves.
I'm Carissa. They call me Chris. I'm Megan. And then, oh wait, what?
She left. She's a different group.
Megan and Carissa.
Raise your hand if your group needs more time. So can we have one Notre Dame San Jose student stand from each group and introduce their guest, please? Okay, so starting with Natanya.
Hi, I'm Natalia, and this is Mizuki.
And can you repeat your guest name, please?
Mizuki.
Mizuki? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so repetimos. Mizuki. Mizuki. Okay. Hello, Mizuki. Mizuki. Mira, can you write that up on the board, please? Mizu. Hakemate.
This is Yuri.
Yuri. D or R?
It's an R, but it's like said kind of fast, so it sounds like a D, so it's like Yuri.
Yuri. Okay, can you say hello, Yuri?
Hello.
Thank you, Carissa, and 2 other students. Can we say hello, Yuri?
Hello, Yuri.
Great. Illumina.
私はミンです。I'm Min. 彼女は夏美です。She's Natsumi.
Natsumi? Natsumi. So can we say, welcome, Natsumi? Gracias. And who is introducing our guest over here? Oh, so can someone else? Okay.
Hi, my name is Mira, as you know, and this is Kasumi.
Kasumi? Say it again. Kasumi? Kasumi. Okay. Repetimos. 1, 2, 3. Katsumi. Am I saying it wrong? You're wrong. Kasumi. Arvin, help me out.
He
Kasumi?
overthinking it.
Okay.
Kasumi.
Kasumi?
Kasumi.
All right. Repetimos. Hello, Kasumi.
Hello, Kasumi.
Gracias. Carolina?
Hi, I'm Caroline. This is Maury, is that right? Okay, Maury.
Oh, more.
Mori. Okay, so repetimos. Mori. Hello, Mori.
Hello, Mori.
Gracias. Jessica?
This is Yui.
Yui.
Y-U-I.
Yui. Okay. Repetimos. Yui. Yui. Hello, Yui. Muy bien. So, now, all of our groups are going to start playing Zip, Zap, Zap. Can you please go, senoritas? Take a seat. So, can you please go nice and slow, make sure that everyone knows how to play, and slowly speed it up. Okay?
Sí.
Empecemos. Okay, if there's a mistake, auga. If you can hear me, clap 3 times. If you can hear me, repeat. Wakaremasu. Is that I understand or I don't understand? I understand. Thank you. So, great job. Now, can you please explain to your guests the importance of making mistakes and how the game is more fun if we go faster and then repeat playing, but this time faster.
So now, if we go fast and mistakes are good. So go fast. Fast mistakes are fine.
You want to start?